this video, I am going to give you the review of YouTube Mastery and Monetization by Parr. It is a YouTube training course that helps you to make profitable YouTube channel and scale it and make profits very easily. Who is Parr? Parr is a guy who has 9 YouTube channels, over 2 million subscribers, over 300 million total views. He makes lots and lots of money on YouTube. Now let's talk about what you are getting with the course. Module 1, you are getting the overview, the big picture of the blueprint of the business that you're going to start on YouTube. The 3 stages to YouTube: beta phase. In beta phase, you learn choosing a niche and planning your content. Then you learn intermediate phase, uploading videos, and scaling. You have to where you outsource the work of content creation on YouTube. If you don't know what outsourcing is, that actually is somebody to create content for you from websites like Fiverr and Upwork. In this case, you are doing YouTube videos, so you are going to hire someone who could make YouTube videos for you. The next module 2, is on choosing a niche. Niche is basically the field or area of interest that you are interested in and you are going to make videos on. You're going to learn ways of going about YouTube, the best high CPM niches, doing market research, list of 100 plus profitable niches. In Module 3, you are going to learn setting up a channel for success, the 33 rule and how to use it. It is a rule by Parr that follows when he creates his own videos. The best YouTube tool ever made. My secret, Parr's secret SEO keyword process will teach you is way to rank higher on YouTube and Google with the help of SEO keyword. Planning your content strategy. In Module 4, you are going to learn uploading videos, anatomy of viral video, how to systemize your videos, where to find free content, how to edit videos for free, making high click-through rate thumbnails. He goes over it in a great detail. In Module 5, here it is the growth module. In this module, you'll learn and understand YouTube algorithm and YouTube analytics. You'll also learn how to truly go viral on YouTube. He will break the biggest myths and misconceptions and laying down some truth. You will also learn the best time to upload that Matt has found in his research of and uploading videos over and over again. In Module 6, you'll learn how to monetize your YouTube videos, how to make money more than most YouTubers, the many ways of monetizing your YouTube channel, and Matt's personal favorite way of making money utilizing YouTube. In this module, you'll learn a lot, because he is experienced YouTuber. He makes millions and millions of dollars. And the final module, module 7, you learn how to scale your YouTube channel as a business. You know, when you need to scale any business, you need to hire different person to do things. Here you are hiring person to do the content creation work, making creation assembly line. As a bonus, you'll get fill in the blank script for finding the and hiring employees. Let's look at some of the bonuses you are getting with this. So the first bonus you are getting is list of 100 plus profitable niches plus example channels. This will help you to make sure you choose the absolute best niche, or make sure that you have already chosen a good niche. They give you a list of over 100 profitable different niches and profitable example channels in many of those niches that you can clone for yourself. You also get access to fill in the blank video script templates. They give access to fill in the blanks video script templates that help you to systemize your videos. This will help you to make your outsourcing content easier down the line, as well as making video scripts yourself as a breeze. You get both personal brand channel and list channel templates. You also get access to Tube channel case studies. It is another mini course on its own that shows ton of channel case studies in different niches to help you to decide which niche you should choose. Getting his exact strategies, the complete Tube Mastery and Monetization training course, so that you can start a profitable YouTube channel and have all the necessary skills needed to start with the right niche and take the channel to the next level. You get access to the Facebook group and the bonuses you are getting. Everything you are getting for $997. Make sure you buy from the first link given in the description and in the comments. Doing that, you'll make sure you're buying from the authentic and genuine website and you are devoid of any scams. Thank you for watching this review. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this. Bye bye, take care.